I wanted to get your reaction to a comment that President Clinton made in an interview that was posted today. He was talking about health care, and he said that President Obama should honor his commitment to people who have lost their health care or are losing their health care under the president's law, even if it means changing that law. Does the president agree with that comment?
Well, I think as you saw the president say in an interview with NBC last week, the answer is yes. The president has tasked his team with looking at a range of options, as he said, to make sure that nobody is put in a position where their plans have been canceled and they can't afford a better plan, even though they'd like to have a better plan. So you heard the president address this very issue in his interview last week. And I think it's important to note that President Clinton, in that interview, also said, and I quote, "The big lesson is that we are better off with this law than without it." And he said, quote, "The enrollment period did not come off well because the national website wasn't ready. But this happened once before. It happened when President Bush put in the Medicare drug program for seniors, which was not as complicated, but had exactly the same problem with the rollout. It was a disaster. There were people that lost their prescriptions for their existing medicine, and they fixed it." So the president, as you know, is pledged to task his team to look at potential actions that could be taken to address this problem, because his focus is on making sure that people get quality and affordable health insurance.